This is a 2011 Toyota Tundra. I just picked it up. This is the next morning. It's a again 2011 super white 4x4 double cab TRD off-road package, and then it's got a few other things too, optioned out from factory. It's a very clean truck. It's a one-owner truck. Let's kind of go around and give you a walk around here. These wheels are very, very clean. I mean, you can see under there. You know, the dealership did a little bit of their spicing up to do on this one. They just make sure everything was nice and shiny, I guess. But you know, they'll eventually come off. These are just some fluid to make it look shiny, like tire shine, pretty much. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's very clean. I did pick it up from Toyota Landers. That's my first gen over there. Got the rear view camera option. So it's in the backup camera. LCD is in the rear view camera, or rear view mirror, I guess. This side, equally as clean. I think there's only a few dings on this truck. Does have the XM option, XM radio option. I mean, this thing is very clean. It almost looks brand new off the showroom. Headlights are OEM. They're not faded out. Normally they'd be all faded by now if it's been parked outside a lot. And usually this red on this badge right here will be faded out as well. But as you can see, it's pretty mint. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna unlock the door here and let's take a look at inside. It's got the gray interior, black and gray interior. There you go. It's got the overhead storage. Let's take a look at the back. There you go. Came with the sill protectors there. Very clean OEM floor mats. Everything's good here. It does have a tonneau cover. Low pro, so they just match you very well with the truck here. Let's open the hood here. Where is it at? Here it is. Nice motor, 5.7. I mean, just look at that. No rust. Frame is excellent down there. It's very dry as well. No valve cover leak or anything like that. Does have the tow package as well. And I think it was the cold weather package, so you get a bigger starter and bigger battery, bigger alternator. Yeah, there you go, guys. I just wanted to document this. It might look a little bit different as time goes by. Plan to mod it a little bit, but not too much. Trying to retain that OEM look. Hope you guys enjoy the video.